Hey everyone, so nobody told you, but the Kim Kardashian concealer triangle technique is actually designed for 22-year-olds. And that's why it looks like a mask on everyone else. So today what we're going to do is show you how to actually do it so that it brightens and lifts without look like you're wearing a second face. So this is the updated version for real skin for grown-up women. So step 1 is place a dot of concealer under the inner eye. Lovely. Step 2, place a dot on the outer corner. Step 3, one dot at the top of your cheekbone, right in the middle. Now, those 3 dots are your triangle. Step 4 is take a brush and just connect them. And then if you want, you can put one dot inside the triangle. Step 6, blend and fill it in with a brush. Simple. Step 7, grab your beauty blender and blend again until everything disappears. No hard edges. This is the most important step that people skip, and it's the whole reason it looks heavy. Step 8 is take a small amount of powder, just enough to set it, not enough to cake it. Now, the reason this works is because you're reflecting light exactly where the face naturally wants to lift. That inner corner, the cheek, is this triangular brightness that makes you look like you've slept for 8 hours, which is obviously the goal for someone that doesn't sleep 8 hours. Now, one thing that matters more than technique is the concealer. Don't use anything really thick, and don't use anything that you know is going to sit in your lines. Lightweight, skin-like, that's it. The formula makes this look like your skin, right? The right formula. The wrong one can make it look like a project, and we don't want that. And that's how you do it. The Kim Kardashian concealer technique for grown-ups. Works every time, and I think it's still a really important technique all these years later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.